I'm extremely happy to announce Team-GPT 3.0. The product that we have been building for the past 2 years is maturing with one more version, and I'm very excited to tell you what we have learned in the past 2 years about the industry, about our users, which are now counting more than 50,000, and about the future of AI and what are the workflows that we will need to be solving from here on. Today, Team-GPT 3.0, is going to be fully focused on marketing teams, marketing departments, in-house marketing teams, marketing agencies, and marketers overall who want to automate their work, who want to use AI for their work, who want to leverage this technology for their marketing workflows. I imagine that in the next 10 years, we will be expanding to other parts of your company. But to start with, we want to make you marketers extremely happy, delighted. We want you to go to work and open Team-GPT as your go-to workspace for doing your work. So John, you're one of our first clients and you've been using Team-GPT for quite a while. And what was the problem that you were trying to solve for yourself when you were coming to our software, and what are the problems you're solving today with Team-GPT?
Yeah, so my number one problem is, and I'm sure that you're going to feel me as a founder, is when you're a founder of a business, there is no one else that cares more about your business than you, right? So being in the service business, for me, it was always so important that I do a great job at delivering the service. And that means that I have to be everywhere because I'm the one who's studying what's happening, researching something all the time. So my problem was that how do I scale this? How can I transfer my knowledge to my team so that I can go to bed comfortably knowing that my knowledge is transferred and my teammates are using this even when I'm not there 100% all the time. So that was my biggest issue. In the past, I've created SOPs using different tools so that I would, educate my team on it. But then the issue was like, how do I know that they're gonna follow this, right? And I can give like an example of creating content briefs, for example. I am very picky when it comes to creating the way I create briefs. I have my own ways of doing it. So I was like, I cannot create 200 briefs or like 150 briefs. Like I need to be doing it 24/7. And anytime somebody creates a brief, I would go and check and fix it. Hey, this is how you do it. This is how you do that. But I was looking for a way that there is going to be a structure of a flow where I know that the way I do brief, I can copy my knowledge base and then everyone in my team is going to be using the same format, right? So that was one of the big problems that I had, that I was able to...
By the way, sorry for interrupting you, but your content briefs are so good that I've actually taken a couple of your briefs, and this is how we do briefs as well right now with an AI assistant, an AI project that we've configured with your guidelines for brief creation. So they're really good, guys.
That's great to hear. I mean, it makes me feel good because if I wasn't using the software, right, I had to be everywhere. Now, I am not fully automating the process, but I'm making sure that there's a human in the loop and my knowledge is transferred to my whole team. And this is very important as an agency owner, because one, you know that your knowledge is transferred and the quality of work is not going to go down. Two, you're empowering your other people to do more, right? So it helps you to do more while keeping the profitability high as well. So for me, this was like very important.
We want to build new workflows. We want to build them from the ground up because we know that every workflow will be disrupted, and we want to help you build these workflows better for your work. Between version 2.0 and 3.0, everybody has been asking me, oh, why is it 3.0? Well, so many things have happened that it's no longer fair to the software to call it 2.0 as a year ago. Between 2.0 and 3.0, we made a lot of UX changes. We heard our users, we learned what they want from this software. Shipped projects and assistants. This is a very key part of our software right now. We've shipped more than 15 agentic tools, and we're committed to shipping more and more agents all the time that solve particular workflows. We created this concept of project knowledge where you can curate the knowledge for each of your projects or assistants and get the most out of it. We added permissions, we went through compliance procedures, SOC 2 compliance, HIPAA compliance for all the enterprise folks. We improved our text editing. We called it Pages 2.0. Very soon there will be Pages 3.0. as well. It's a part of the roadmap. We shipped a new way of searching throughout all your projects and documents. We have been maintaining all of the key large language models, and we have been adding them to the platform as soon as a new model arrives. We try to add it to the platform within a week. We've created a prompt builder because many of you wanted to go through an agentic workflow which creates the prompts rather than prompt yourselves. I'm very excited about our deep work mode. You can split your screen, you can be in 2 chats simultaneously, you can test different models and their outputs. You can also create other types of deep work experiences. We integrated with your favorite tools, Google Drive, SharePoint, OneDrive, Notion. Very soon, through MCPs, we're gonna be connecting to literally every other data source out there. We've improved our adoption reports, we've allowed for self-service onboarding with a lot of magic inside of it so that your colleagues can onboard seamlessly to the platform. We have the notification system and task management for your chats. If you want to manage your tasks now, this is also possible. And so many tiny performance improvements, 2 pixels here, 2 pixels there. We have been trying to make this as delightful as an experience as possible. Now, what is gonna come for us in the next, let's say, 2-3 months? In the next 3 months, 3 to 6 months, we'll be building as many agentic tools as possible for your marketing use cases. We've already built a social media post generator, which knows that you're gonna be posting on social media. You get a nice preview, and all of this is inside your AI workspace. If you create a new campaign, we create this campaign briefer. And we have a ton of others, competitor analysis tools, we have SEO optimizing tools, AI humanizer we call it, GEO for if you want to rank on chat-gpt and so on. And all of these are coming out of our understanding of marketing overall, and also from whatever our design partners have been telling us, like John. Education is a very big one, which is also coming for us. We are coming from this educational background, as you know, and the first course we released, that was maybe a year and a half ago, it was a major hit. It's high time we release a new version of it, and I'll be working on it myself in the next 2 months. It will be hopefully like nothing you have seen before. I'm very excited about the course. It will feel more like a game than like education, but in the process of playing, you will be learning and you will get a certificate of completion. We believe that each person in the world will need to go through something like this once, and then they will know everything they need to know about AI. We're very excited to be the ones bringing this education to you, to your company, and to your friends and family. And finally, what else is next for us? Well, more agents. Like, it's clear that agentic workflows, agentic tools, and agents overall will dominate a lot of the work in the future. We have the interest, capacity, capability to build all of these agents. The question is, what agents need to be built? What are the real use cases that you want us to build? And I would like to invite you to join us and start using our software, Team-GPT 3.0. Start using the software and tell us, what are you missing? We know that the software is really great, but we want to know what else needs to be built there, and we will build it. We will be more than happy to solve your marketing workflows.